Meaning of identically.
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 Identically. The term identically describes a situation where two or more things are exactly the same in every aspect. It implies that there is no difference or variation between them. For example, if two mathematical expressions are said to be identically equal, it means that they always produce the same result, regardless of the values of their variables. Similarly, if two physical objects are said to be identically the same, it means that they have the same size, shape, color, and other properties, without any variation. Therefore, the term identically denotes a state of complete and absolute similarity between two or more things.